take a look at my product by extracting a little bit out and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and whip some air into the product. Just for about a minute or so. Nice consistency I have. Now when you make ice cream, a lot different than making water ice, because what we have to do now, once it comes out of here, we have to take it and put it in a hardening cabinet, which is anywhere from minus 25 to minus 45 degrees. And it's going to stay in there for probably 8 to 12 hours. And then from there it goes into a tempering freezer, which we bring the temperature back up to close to dipping temperature. And you can store in the tempering freezer. You don't want to store the ice cream in a hardening cabinet, because if it's in there too long, it'll crack. And then from the tempering freezer, it will go into our dipping cabinet. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my product out. And I'm going to add my Oreo cookies to the product as I'm taking it out. And I don't want to smash my product down and knock all the air out of it. I want to be gently folding the cookies into the product. And I like to put some cookies right on top. No mistaking it. Definitely Oreo cookie ice cream. Okay. So now I probably have some more product in the machine. I definitely do. So let's go ahead. Now I could have made some quartz if I wanted to. And I could hand scoop some quartz out of this if I want to, and then put them into my hardening cabinet also. And I have some more cookies left over here. I'm going to put that in there. I want to mix it up. And I could go and pre-pack some quartz. I'll put a lid on that and put it in my hardening cabinet. A little messy, but you get the gist. And I'll wipe that off, and then that'll go in my hardening cabinet along with my tub of ice cream. So there we have Oreo cookie ice cream. Now, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my machine, and my next flavor I'm going to make is going to be strawberry.